Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Editing Basics. In this video, I'm gonna guide you through how to add marker on Filmora application. So let's get started right away. First of all, tap open the Filmora application or the Filmora Go application on your mobile devices. From the first interface, tap on the new project button to start a new video editing project. Select the video you want to edit from your camera roll or other sources. After you select the video you want to edit, click on Import at the bottom right hand corner. Wait for a few seconds and you will be able to see your video on your timeline. Tap on the video on the timeline to select it. Now you will be able to see a white vertical line on your screen. You can move the line and stop it to a desired point, and then you will be able to mark the video and use this marker as a reference point. To add a marker, you can simply go ahead and tap on the split icon at the bottom, and you can now use this split point as a reference point. Continue editing your video as needed using the split points as your marker, and preview your video to ensure the edits are accurate. So that is how you can easily add a marker in Filmora. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.